Luna. But anyway, yeah, I was asked to pay tribute to Brother Frank Padilla. This is what I can say about Brother Frank Padilla. Of course, during the early years of our community, I joined the community. I looked at Brother Frank, sabi ko, sino ba itong puting buhok na ito during that time? But what I observed during the time is very serious siya. Talagang pag lumapit ka at may time, bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon. You can ask questions, you can clarify everything. He has always that time for him to entertain, to answer to him. Now, of course, there come the times na nahati ang ating community. During the last talk niya in Laguna, during that time, I know that there is something happening in the community. And sabi ko sa aking wife, anyway, my wife, Berly Celino, during that time, that was a teaching night during that, one of the teaching night in Laguna. Nagsasalita si Frank doon, of course, pinaliliwanag niya the situation of the community. And of course, during that time, I cannot, hindi ko na mati-issue iba na negative at sinasabi during that time. Sabi ko sa asawa ko, ay na, magsa tayo. And we decided, sabi ko, pag nagkaroon na split, we will go with Frank. The simple reason is, sabi ko, kasi ito ang magdadala sa atin sa karya ng Panginoon. Ito si Brother Frank. I know those people in our province in Laguna, they are good, but the sincerity of a man serving the community all his life, totoo kasi eh. Sabi ko, dito tayo, whatever happens, kung tayo 10 lamang, 5 lamang tayo, mag-angsot tayo, Manila lang, that's it. But we were going to stay with Brother Frank Padilla. Because I saw kay Brother Frank Padilla yung sincerity, simplicity. Siya yung taong walang pakialam sa material na bagay. Ang importante kasi sa kanya, makita niya ang bawat isa sa atin, buwan niya, bawat kasama sa community, madala sa ating Panginoon. Kaya sabi ko nga, dito ako. Kasi madadala nito ang aking kaluluwa sa kanya ng Panginoon. Yun lang ang naging basis ko. That's why, during the time na I was asked to be a part of the council, sabi ko sa kanya, Brad, if you think that I can help, why not? Ano niyo ba si Brother Frank? Siguro ito ay hindi pa rin alam ng iba. Si Brother Frank, nakikinig yan sa mga suggestion. Baka rin hindi lamang natin. Of course, Brother Frank, he is a talented person, full of wisdom. But alam niyo ba, si Brother Frank, kung meron kayong na-observe in our community, you can easily relate to him. And honestly, I have a lot of suggestion that was given to him. Kaya nga minsan nagugulat ako, mag-a-announce siya, may gagawin siya, at those announcement is part of my suggestion to him. So, kung tayo ay nahihiya or parang bang natatakot tayong makipag-usap sa kanya to suggest anything about our community, baka kala natin i-reject niya. Kasi kung this a man of full of wisdom, but kabaliktaran. marami siyang in-absorb na mga suggestion, opinion coming from us. Especially, kahit sino nga basta salita ka sa ipang-process niyo yun. And most of the time, pag siya'y kakausapin mo, tatamo lang yun. May mga tanong ka, tatamo lamang yun, and expect, pagdating mo sa bahay, naka-email na sa iyo. Mag-email na niya sa iyo the reason why, bakit, ano ang dapat gawin. That is Brother Frank Padilla. Now, probably ang isa pa ninyong hindi na-discover during na siya nabubuhay pa. Alam niyo ba si Brother Frank ay mabiro? Alam ni Brother Ed Yapayan. Napakabiro ni Brother Frank Padilla. Kasi kung ang tingin natin sa kanya, siya yung taong lahat ng pag-uusapan ay seryoso. Si Brother Frank ay ang taong palabiro, nag-accept ng biro at nagbibiro. Again, for Brother Frank, abati tayo magpasalamat. Inakay niya ang bawat isa sa atin. Tayo ang magpapatuloy ng mga gawain kanyang nasimulan. Again, my dear brothers and sisters, pasalamatan natin at palakpan natin si Brother Frank Padilla.